Welcome back to my channel. Way too much new guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So from few days many of the subscribers are asking me that when will be the Imu Cet exam for August batch. So I have already told them it will be around May June as usual, because the confusion creates because of the scenario from the last year which is going on. Imu Cet has been cancelled, then December has been done, but so today I got the update, so I'll let you know everything. I'll go to my laptop screen, there I'll show you each and everything how to do it and all. And before that, lot of sponsorship examination forms are also released, such as Williamson, Anglo, Great Eastern. I don't know dates are over or not, but it was around 1 month back it has been released, so you can go and check it out. Without sponsorship there is no meaning that you can fill the Imu Cet form. So the form is in Google form based, not the official one. So still I'll show you how it is to be done. And another form reminder, if you want the study material for Imu Cet as well as the sponsorship, please go visit the description box. There you will get the legit and genuine study material for your Imu Cet, which you can practice for your betterment. Okay. Another thing I will remind you that from 1st of May we'll start conducting the Imu Cet classes. All the details will be shared with you guys very soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll come up with a video, there I'll show you each and everything. So if you guys are interested, you can join those classes also. So now let's move to my laptop screen, there I'll show you each and everything regarding the Imu Cet. Okay, so you have to be Google and then click Imu Cet. First website imu.edu.in. Go to the admission 2020-22. Here you can see that Imu admission process for August 2021 batch undergraduate and postgraduate programs is likely to commence May or June 2021. Cadets desirous of knowing the admission related information may enter their name, email address here. The admission related information will be sent to the email address. Click here to register. Okay, it's very easy. I'll go to that. This is Google form. You just put your details. Okay, no problem, you can put. I have one candidate's details, so I'm putting that. Choose the course that you can say BSc Nautical Science, West Bengal. Okay, so that is the thing. See, the response has been recorded. So very easy. I think I've understood. And okay, so if you want to get study materials for that, you can contact me, or links are in the description box. You can get it from there. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.